Hi there, Beat the Calculator here, and welcome back to another video. Today, you'll be able to perform a magic trick to amaze your family and friends, as you'll be able to look like you can multiply any two numbers of any digits in less than a few seconds. First up, creating the magic numbers. This is an important part of the trick, and very simple too. Write two units digits that add up to 10. These could be any of the numbers written in red. Now, all that's left to do is to make sure the other digits of the numbers are the same. For example, we could have 31 multiplied by 39, as the unit digits 1 and 9 add up to 10, and the other digits are the same, the number 3. Like so, the possibilities of the numbers are endless. 76 multiplied by 74, 138 multiplied by 132, and so on. We can even have numbers of even more digits, so you can make your audience mind blown, literally. After quickly choosing your numbers, here comes the fun part, the real math magic. 31 times 39. While you give the question to your friends and family for them to puzzle at forever, all you need to do is multiply the unit numbers to get a two-digit answer. In this case, 1 multiplied by 9 is 9. We write this as 09, as we need to get a two-digit value. Now, multiply the first number with the next consecutive number. In this case, the next consecutive number to 3 is 4. 3 multiplied by 4 is 12. Finally, join the numbers together to get the answer, 1209. Surely, you've now amazed the audience, who would still be racking their brains for an answer. I think it's time for another example. Here, we've already created some numbers for you. 76 multiplied by 74. Multiply the unit numbers. In this case, 6 multiplied by 4 is 24. Now, multiply the first number with the next consecutive number. In this case, the next consecutive number to 7 is 8. 7 multiplied by 8 is 56. Finally, join the numbers together to get the answer, 5624. Here's a third example. 118 multiplied by 112. Multiply the unit numbers. In this case, 8 multiplied by 2 is 16. Now, multiply the first number with the next consecutive number. Since there are two digits in the first position here, we just say that the first number is 11. The next consecutive number to 11 is 12. 11 multiplied by 12 is 132. Finally, join the numbers together to get the answer, 13,216. Here's how we remember the magic. These are the steps. Multiply the units, the first number times the next consecutive number, and finally join the numbers together. Highlighting the first letter of each step, we get U, F, J. Unique, finger-licking, jam. Delicious. Here are some questions that we've pre-picked using our magic creation process for you to pause and have a go at. After all, practice makes sure your magical performance runs smoothly on the big stage. Here are the answers. 17 multiplied by 13. Multiply the units, 7 and 3, to get 21. Now, we multiply the first number, 1, with the next consecutive number, which is 2. 1 multiplied by 2 is 2. Join the numbers together, and we get 221. Using the same steps, we get the following answers. 24 multiplied by 26 is 624. 71 multiplied by 79 is 5,609. 83 multiplied by 87 is 7,221. And 106 multiplied by 104 is 11,024. Be sure to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Beat the Calculator. Thanks for watching, and see you next week.